All right, this is Russell Meyer from Theme Park Insider. We're about to take a spin on Busch Gardens' new roller coaster, Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. This coaster is a suspended family inverted coaster from B&M. It's got 2 lifts, an onboard audio soundtrack, and a great layout. So let's take a ride on Big Bad Wolf. Woo! Good air time there. Now we're about to go into the village. Good high-speed turns, just like the old Big Bad Wolf. Now we're about to go up a second lift. And at the bottom of this lift is a trap for the Big Bad Wolf as we go through. Then into the festival of Oktoberfest. That's a fun coaster there, Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge at Busch Gardens Williamsburg.